Imagine life as a blank canvas waiting for your unique strokes. Having your own canvas means you get to decide the colors, the shapes, and the story you want to tell. It's about embracing the freedom to create a life that brings you joy and fulfillment. Just like an artist with a blank canvas, you have the power to choose what to include and what to leave out. It's the journey of self discovery and expressing your true self, crafting a life that resonates with your own values and aspirations. Stay happy and healthy. Thanks for watching.